Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Do you want to delete old device driver package in Windows 11 or 10? Well, over time, Windows stores old versions of device drivers even after they have been updated. And this leftover driver packages can take up valuable space. So in this video, I will show you how to safely delete old driver packages in Windows 10 or 11. First, start by pressing Windows plus S and typing disk cleanup. Click on the disk cleanup app from the search results. Now choose the C drive for the drive where Windows is installed and hit OK. Let the disk cleanup calculate how much space it can free up. Once the list appears, click on Cleanup System Files. This will relaunch disk cleanup with admin privileges. Again, choose your main drive and wait for the tool to load. Now look for an option labeled Device Driver Packages. If you see it, check the box. This means Windows found older drivers that can be safely removed. You can also check other items like temporary files or Windows Update Cleanup if you want. Click OK, then choose Delete Files to confirm. Windows will now remove the outdated drivers and free up space. And that's it. You have successfully deleted old driver packages and made your system a little lighter and cleaner than before. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.